Welcome to this video. We're going to talk a little bit about tools that you have. You are the creator of your own universe. Everybody has their own world, right? Like we all live in our own little world. That is true. For a person A, this experience was a horrible experience. For person B, it was an okay experience. For person C, it was a wonderful experience. But the experience was the same outside, but inside they lived it in a very different way. Why? Because we're all creating our own experience, our own reality. And one might say, well, but the reality is, that it was a horrible experience. And the next person was like, no, the reality was that it was a wonderful experience because I learned a lot. So anyway, what I'm getting at with this is that you are the creator of your own personal experience. So, because you are the creator of your own experience, you need to master the tools that you use to create those experiences with. You have a body. You're not the body, you have a body. You have a body to create experiences with. Now you can determine what kind of experience do you want to have and then master the tool, the body, so that you can master that experience. Let's say I want to play the piano. Well, I have a body. If I invest enough of my divinity, enough of my attention into the process of learning to play the piano, at some point I will play the piano. So the body is just a tool that we need to master in order for us to create the reality that we want. Same goes for thoughts, same goes for emotions. They're just tools of creation. Same for labels, same for the subconscious map. But in this video, I want to talk about the body because I guarantee you've somewhat mastered the physical body. Perhaps not the emotional body, perhaps not the subconscious map. It's not as clean as you would like to have it. It's not as tuned. But your physical body, for the most part, you've pretty much mastered that. You more likely, you know how to walk very, very effectively. You know perhaps how to run very effectively, how to jump, how to skip, how to clap, how to move the body in any way you want. So since you know how to use this tool, the physical body, I want you to use it to change other aspects of your reality. Example, if you start to crunch like a position of insecurity, this is a position that naturally starts to bring some kind of insecurity, some kind of I'm not sure-ish, kind of feeling. What if I start to change? What if I do this? What if I lift my chin up? What if I start to breathe in a certain pattern? My emotion starts to change. Let's do an exercise. Find sadness within your body. I'm sure you have some from yesterday or a week ago or 10 years ago, and just find some of that, and not much, maybe a 2 out of 10, so just a little bit. Once you feel sad, notice what the position of the body is. The body will tend towards a certain position that reflects sadness. And then as you feel that, try to keep the sadness at the same level while you change the position into a powerful pose. And you're going to notice that the sadness starts to go away on its own. Just because the body and the emotions are always linked, and you change the body, you change the emotion. So when you're waiting for the right emotion, don't wait for it, just create it. Use the physical body to create the right emotion. You can do this. Just simple. Do this. Open your hands like this, palms up, and lift them above your head. Lift your head like this and stand straight. At the same time, just breathe in a joyful way, whatever that might look like for you. Do that for a minute or two minutes. You're going to feel an emotional shift. So, use your physical body to change your emotional body, to change your emotional state. You've mastered the physical body. You can do this. You can do this. You can, take a deep breath in. You can do that, and that will change your emotion. That's very helpful because most of us are not mature enough in the emotional body to change the emotions like that on our own. Like if I want to think about peace, I might have to think about a beautiful beach. I might have to go back to a time when I was peaceful, and then allow that to help me, because I haven't mastered it to the point that I just think of peace and I am full of peace. But I've somewhat mastered the physical body, so I can use it. Anyway, thank you for being with me through this video. I appreciate it. I'll see you in the next one.